Alright, good morning. Welcome to another video. So, in this video, tapusin natin ulit kung si 124 because it's already the last day of November and December is right around the corner. Sobrang bilis ng panahon, nakagulat. And the 124 is getting there. Nagagamit na, reliable na. Alvin is here. Alvin is our professional tinter home service, no? So as I have said before, papatint natin tong coaching to just to finish the look and to make it more comfortable inside is gusto ko siyang i-black out. Since black yung theme natin, VIP Gangster Mafia, syempre dapat nakatint na full black, super black. So ceramic tint ang gamit ni Alvin, siyang nagtitint sa atin. Recommended by Rocky, shout out Rocky. So ang gamit niya is ceramic from Korean. Sa Korean brand. So maganda kasi ceramic, talagang yung heat rejection is more than 90%. Talaga ramdam mo yan sa loob. Subok ko na yung ceramic tint. That's the technology now. So, pag traffic, pag mataas ang araw, talagang heat rejection. Kaya sobrang komportable sa loob. It makes the cabin cooler. So, yung aircon mo mas lalamig dahil mas hindi mahirapan. So, kaya it's very important na nagpapatin kayo. Kahit clear. Kahit naman clear, may rejection pa rin yun eh. Pero for this one, gusto ko talaga yung blackout the Gangster VIP setup. So, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 hours. Matagal kasi yung ting-ting dahil yan, ikakat, tapos lilinisin yung loob, yung mga bintana, and then i-apply. So, medyo matagal na proseso yun. At si Alvin mag-isa lang. Pero sanay naman yan, araw-araw nagtitint yan. So mabilis-bilis na yan. Kaya maganda pag tinting home service kasi ang tagal, 2 to 3 hours. So kung nasa shop ka, ang tagal mo nag-aantay. So lagay ko yung contact details ni Alvin. Tawagan nyo, wag text. Hindi nagre-reply sa text yan eh. Pero tawagan nyo to schedule your appointment. Mabilis naman mag-schedule dyan. So mas convenient lang talaga pag home service. Kasi nga, nasa bahay ka. Diba? So, habang ginagawa niya, ayan, do your thing sa bahay. So, for this video, para hindi kayo mabore, na puro tint lang, haluan ko ng konting lifestyle day with the 124. After matint, papabilang ko pa ng battery. Dahil yung battery niya, long overdue na. Motolite na second hand lang kinabit ko dyan. Galing pa sa Grandia. So, more than 5 years na yan. Kaya laging nalolobat kung hindi ko gagamitin. So, i-charge ko lang. So, I think it's time na bilhin siya ng battery. She deserves a battery. So, mamaya bilan din natin. Tapos, papashave tayo. Dahil it's getting out of control. Kaya wala ilaw eh. No, papashave tayo mamaya. Meron dun bagong salon sa may Ignacio, sa may White Plains, barbershop, that I think nag-shave sila. So, palinis lang natin. And mag-gym lang ako habang ginagawa ni Alvin yung tint. So, here is my gym, home gym. I'm doing a functional fitness, more on strength training kasi we are 40 years old at tatay na tayo, legit na tito. So, we need to take care of our body. So, dati, nung high school, college, medyo pang-forma ang gym natin, bodybuilding, no? But this time, functional na. So, I do strength training, more on Olympic lift. Yan, kaya marami yan. More on Olympic lifting, compound movements, back squats, deadlift. So, today, Saturday, mag-shoulder tayo. So, I'll be doing some power clean and jerks, then strict presses, yan, for my shoulder strength conditioning. I do workout at least 4 times a week. Naka-spread out yan, and I do it in the morning para tapos na. Dahil sa gabi, hindi ko na kaya. Running on fumes na tayo pag gabi, no? And with the traffic and everything, yun. So, lagay ko na lang yung clip ng workout natin later from my cellphone. Dito lang tayo nag-gym. And then, balikan natin si Alvin later. Dito sa tint ng 124. So, she's getting there. Siguro sunurin ko muffler. Parang nakangatay ako sa stainless muffler eh. Pero ito, the car will transform today. Malaking bagay yan, yung tint na yan. Ayun oh, itim na itim oh. Woohoo! Okay, see you later. Right. So it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Nakauwi na si Alvin. It's bilis lang, 10:30 natapos na siya. Less than 2 hours tapos na yung auto. It's looking really good. Nag-transform yung kotse. Talagang it's a different car. Now it's a Mafia. There you go. Chang, yun na. Sobrang itim. Anika is here. Pero sobrang itim niya. Ayan oh. Nag-transform talaga. Sobrang hindi kakita sa loob. So, super black. Pero hindi naman ganun kadilim sa loob. Ayan. Hindi naman ganun kadilim. So, it's like... Oh, hinahanap ka mami mo. So, hindi ganun kadilim sa loob ang ceramic. Yan ang maganda sa mga ceramic, no? Tapos talagang it's really cozy inside. So you can see. Mura. It's only 6.5. Binayad natin dito kay Alvin. Well, medyo suki na rin. Pero mura, di ba? Korean ceramic din. So I cannot open this one overnight. And the car is looking good and very... The mood is very cozy, no? Atras ko lang, tapos yun na natin ulit. The car is outside. Ito naman yung itim. Itim na itim, grabe. Hindi ka makita sa loob. Ang ganda. Ang angas. Mafia na mafia, gangster na gangster, just the way I like it. Japanese na Japanese gangster ang dating. Ayun, no? Grabe, so super dark, oh. Grabe talaga. Good choice, tama lang. So, bilan natin ng battery. Doon lang sa may White Plains din, magpa-shave tayo dahil it's getting out of control. There's a new barbershop in Ignatius. So, try natin, no? Sarap i-drive ng 124 now. Dahil it's very cozy. At medyo gloomy outside, I think it will rain. Labig na aircon, number 1 lang. Tapos, we need to buy Clark's food pala later. So, errands lang, a day with a 124 since okay na siya. Nagagamit-gamit na natin kahit pa paano. No? With confidence. Ayan. So, loving the tint so much. I'm sure from the outside, ang gwapo tingnan nitong autumn ko. Itim na itim. No? So, mugs na malaki na lang siguro. Tingnan natin soon. Pero yung muffler na stainless, medyo nakakatingati rin ako doon. Dahil just to make her sound a little bit more beautiful, no? Yung lagyan lang natin ng konting angas yung tunog. Dahil wala pa siyang muffler at hindi pa naka-stainless. Here in White Plains, ayun, no? Yung mga construction dito, bago na naman, no? Bilis, oh. Matatapos na, oh. No? Commercialize na talaga tong area to. So, traffic will double. It's bad it is now. It will even get worse when that opens. Well, laki, oh. Pero okay lang. I don't mind getting stuck in traffic. Maiksi lang naman to. At kung ganito kotse mo, sakto lang. Para matesting din natin sa traffic tong kotse. Para mabatak din, oh. So far, okay naman. Here we are. Motolite St. Ignatius. Meron isa dito, eh. Kanto lang. Sakto sa St. Ignatius. Tapos, dun tayo magpapashave mamaya. So, the car is here. Siyempre, Motolite. Gusto ko Motolite, malakas ang cranking power. So, this guy, I think 7 years old. Palitan na natin. I-swap ko na. I-card ko na lang.
Yes, sir.
Maganda, may card. This one, galing pang Grandia. So, second hand na. Tapos matagal na. I think talaga 7 years na yan. So, kaya bilib ako. Until now, buhay. Charge mo lang na i-charge. So, yung cranking niya, malakas naman. So, basta pag hindi mo nagamit ng 2 weeks ng auto, nalolobat na yan. So, time to change. And the car deserves a change. Ayan, nakatanggal na. So, palit battery lang tayo. Problema, mukhang puno yung old schooler. Mukhang puno yung sa shaving. Dami nakapark eh. So, tinan natin. New battery in. Motolite. Kung matagalan. Yan ang brand natin. Trusted brand. Tumatagal kasi. Oh, umaandar alternator natin. Oh, that's how you test your alternator. Tanggalin mo yung battery. Oh, the car is still alive. Tapos para pasok, para hindi nare-reset yung mga settings sa loob. Particularly the radio. Ayan. So mabilis naman sila dito, no? Ayos. Ayan. Battery needs here in St. Ignatius. Dali na pala ka, no? Naka-idle lang, oh. Tama yung temperature. Tayo na, condition. Okay. So, tapos na. 8,000. Trade-in mo yung luma, less 500. Ganda, may card. Kaya, okay naman. Much easier to pay. Itim na itim talaga, oh. Woo! Grabe. Okay, check natin kung may pwesto dun sa shaving. Dahil parang puno. Alright, task number 1 is done. On to task number 2. Tingnan natin kung mahaba. Maraming tao dun sa shave, sa barber. First time ko eh, pero parang marami. Kung hindi, dun sa isa. Ayan, actually, ito, meron. Sige. Excuse me. Hindi, bigay yan. Yan lang. Natin. Ayun, may parking pa naman. Park lang. Waiting. So ito yung bago dito sa St. Ignatius. Ganda naman, no? Pang-lalaki. So, pa-shave tayo. Lilinisin lang. First time to be here. We are done. 4 o'clock. The beautiful bench. So, task number 2 done. Pasok ko muna. Thank you sa Tasak Barbershop. Pasok na. Buy tayo ng french fries.
Yay! I wanna buy.
Ayan, so first time trying. Okay naman. Malinis na. Malinis din na sabog. So, bili tayo ng dog food ni Clark. And then, let's finish the vlog in Turks. Dahil pawala ng araw, I want to take pictures pa for the profile. And that's it, no? That's the vlog. Ang dilim. Ngayon, nadidiliman ako. Dahil ayos lang. Sakto lang naman, no? Okay. Rolling out again. Withdraw pala muna ako. Sandali. Sa East West here. So, isa pang errand. While we are here, double park na lang muna tayo. Tawid! Woo! Here in St. Ignatius, White Plains, Dakar. Boom! Grabe, ang ganda ng tint. I'm so happy with the tint. Itim na itim. Hindi tayo kita. Very good Very good ka. Okay, let's go to Turks. So, here in Turks, our favorite place, kakape lang ako. Si Anika nagpa-fries dun sa loob. Our go-to pag nagmamadali. Anyway, the bench is looking really beautiful. I love the tint. Thank you, Alvin. Murang-mura. 6.5 home service. Talagang convenient, no? So, I'm finishing up the look of the car. Yung we are going after the mafia look, the VIP look. Nakukuha naman natin, no? So, that's the vlog for today. Thank you for watching.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.